Nowadays, airports can get really hectic, so I've come up with my best quick travel tips to help you have a hassle-free getaway. Make sure you know when check-in closes before you leave and give yourself extra time. Make sure to check the traffic too before you head out. Don't learn about how important this is the hard way. Keep your wireless earbuds and AirPods in your carry-on. If you need any extra help with travel like wheelchairs, your airline can most likely assist you. It's a good idea though to give them a heads up so they can plan before you get there. Be sure to empty your pockets before going through security. If you have any liquids, aerosols, gels or powders, make sure they're 100 mils or less. If you have any batteries, remember to keep them in your carry-on, not in your checked bags. And keep your important medication in your carry-on bag. Don't leave home without your empty drink bottle. No worries, you can refill it after security. And nope, you can't take that full coffee cup. I bring an extra change of clothes in my carry-on. And also remember to pack a clean pair of socks. Security will make you take off your boots if they're taller than your ankles or have steel caps for work. Fresh undies work wonders on layovers on long haul flights too. To breeze through security, try the bag in a bag trick. Gather all your essentials, laptop, liquids and batteries, and you'll be set. You can use that same technique or packing cells for everything else too. Check this video next for my tips, and I will see you there.